Meetings. A very good morning to all of you. Group communication meetings. Exit interview. Exit interview. Yes. Grievance interview. Look at body language, facial expressions of the employees. Online interview. Online interview. Group communication. A major objective of communication. What is the objective of communication? The main objective of communication is to make decisions, collective decisions, or transmitting information, exchanging ideas, views, exchanging the experiences, sharing experiences, I mean, works, experiences to our colleagues, to our boss, any problems. So, group communication is a collective efforts. Making process must involve discussion. Discussion is very important. Consultation is there. If someone needs consultation and consensus. Consensus. I will speak something and I will also show some images on consensus. For example, the members of the examination committee meet before conducting an examination to decide on the dates, schedules, time time required for evaluation and declaration of results. So the members of the examination committee meet before conducting an examination to decide the dates. Say for example, your next semester examination, college, if when college will decide, so there will be the meeting chaired by principal. They will discuss the schedule, which paper has first, how many days, time required for evaluation, 10 days, 12 days, and lastly, declaration of results. Very important task, but meeting is a must. Any decision taken individual on behalf of an organization without consultation with others is considered arbitrary and autocratic. Any decisions in a organization, if a single person or single boss takes a decision, it is not a democratic process. It is considered arbitrary and autocratic. Arbitrary and autocratic. Arbitrary, no meaning. Autocratic, dictatorship, hukumshahi. Yes, blank page. Yeah. I thought image is there. Yeah, yeah. I was expecting the image. Yeah. Group communication. This is group communication. What are the advantages of group communication? A group is a reserve of collective intellect, diverse opinion, different perspectives aimed at creating a pool of ideas to obtain the best possible results of any endeavor. Apart from helping the common cause, it enriches individuals in the group by exposing them to plurality of ideas. Plurality, multitudes of ideas are exchanged, and group communication also enhances the level of knowledge, and it also flourishes one's personality. Apart from helping the common cause, it enriches individuals in the group by exposing them to plurality of ideas. It also engenders a sense of involvement in an organization and strengthens relationships between the management and employees. A collective decision making process encourage collective, एखादी आपल्याला गोष्ट करायची आहे कलेक्टिव्हली केल्यानंतर ती व्यवस्थित होते. Members learn to value compromise and still contribute to the cause. Meetings, conferences, seminars, and workshops, brainstorming sessions are the various ways of group decision making in the organization. Brainstorming sessions, so many questions, possibilities of the questions are raised, and the views of the members are considered in the meeting. This is brainstorming session. Look at brain. It exposes one's imagination. It explores the imagination, imaginative level of the people or participants. Disadvantages. This is consensus. You will see. What are the disadvantages of group communication? So many times working in a group or doing a work, doing a task in a team, it is time consuming affair. When census is required, it is really time consuming. Levels of background research, knowledge, sense of responsibility, and intelligence vary, bringing about unintelligible differences and lack of participation. Levels of background research, knowledge, sense of responsibility, and intelligence vary, bringing about in unintelligible differences and lack of participation. Often, the actual purpose of a meeting is lost in endless circumlocution. A better idea or opinion can get sacrificed in the collective bargain, rendering the process a waste of time and resources. So, in order to understand the disadvantages of group communication, it is a time consuming affair. Research, knowledge, sense of responsibilities, intelligence vary from person to person, and participants, they so many times they don't speak. That is also lack of participation. So often the actual purpose of a meeting is lost in endless circumlocution, panhal lavne, endless circumlocution. A better idea or opinion can get sacrificed in the collective bargain, rendering the process a waste of time and resources. Waste of time. The purpose is not completed if agenda is there in a meeting, agenda by agenda, the discussion may not take place because of the lack of participation of the participants or guidance on the part of leader. They are not trained, they can't handle the situation. If the tense situation occurred during the meeting, the boss were unable to handle it, So this is also disadvantages of group communication. This is consensus. Consensus, these people are there, leader, so they are following, they are accepting and giving right direction. Boss gives right direction and they follow. Consensus. This is consensus. Consensus means a decision taken by the majority of members in a group is often known as consensus. Common agreement is arrived at by analyzing different views in a meeting. Different views, perceptions, experiences, ideas are shared, and while decision making, all the majority of participants are agree. So while arriving at a decision, an individual may have to set aside his opinion and accept that of the majority. Consensus teaches suppressing one's ego in the larger interest. Consensus teaches suppressing one's ego in the larger interest. सर्व सहमतीने एखादा निर्णय घ्यायचा असेल तर एखाद्याचा जर इगो आहे तर तो इगो कमी त्या व्यक्तीला करावा लागतो ऑटोमॅटिकली. कारण 10 जण आहे, 10 जणांपैकी एका जणांचा इगो जास्त आहे, पण त्या व्यक्तीला देखील 9 जणांचं जे काही म्हणणं आहे ते ऐकून घ्यावं लागतं आणि जे काही डिसिजन घ्यायचं आहे ते घ्यावं लागतं. एका व्यक्तीसाठी थांबता येत नाही. सर्वांची सहमती जर असेल तर एखादा निर्णय घेण्यासाठी. मीटिंग, look at meeting. 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 Portrait. Images. Serious businessman. Team leader, coach, mentor talks to diverse business people in office, explains strategy at corporate group meeting, multi-ethnic staff, multi-ethnic staff from various countries, various nations, various states, multi-ethnic staff listen to boss, instruct interns at briefing. Look at staff and he is telling and speaking. Okay, what is meeting? What is meeting? A meeting is a collective decision making process. Yes, organizations generally have appointed group to supervise specific areas commonly known as committees. Just let us see one definition. Laus Allen defines committee as a body of persons appointed or elected to meet on an organized basis for the consideration of matters before it. What is committee? A body of persons appointed or elected. They many times they are appointed and they also are elected to meet on an organized basis. Organized, they are the part of organization for the consideration of matters before it. A committee is also seen as a group appointed by parent organization which meets to investigate a problem and later to formulate its report and recommendations. Yes, they give recommendations, suggestions. So committee makes a clear perspective on a given proposition to arrive at a decision based on facts and figures to find out views, attitudes, and emotions of the participants while tackling a problem or facing a challenging situation to explore the most appropriate solution to a problem to collect data.